Hello guys, so today I'm going to tell you how you can change your name on your Gmail account as a sender instead of changing your whole name on your Google account. So if you guys find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, it is Smart Tech. So let's get in. Now what you have to do is open up a browser, log into your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, open up your Gmail inbox and wait for it to load. So once you are in your Gmail inbox, what you guys have to do is you guys hit on this settings button on the top right, and then you guys will see this quick settings. Hit on this see all settings, and then you will be in the settings panel of your mail. Okay, so once you are in the settings panel, what you guys have to do is from the top menu here, select on this accounts and imports. Once you are in accounts and imports, scroll down a little bit until you see this section send mail as. Right, as you can see, that's the name of the mail that I currently logged in. What you guys can do is you guys can hit on this added info so that you can change your name. All right. So here, as you guys can see, my previous name was this. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit Farhan, or what you guys can do is you guys can either change your whole name in here, or you guys can just change first name, or you can put last name in it, or whatever you want to put in here. You guys can put in, and after that, hit on this save changes button. Once you hit on the savings change button, what's gonna happen next is you will see your name updated over here as a sender. So, guys, that's how you can change your name as a sender on mail account instead of changing your whole name into Google account. So, guys, if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is Smart Tech. So, see you in the next video. Peace.